2008 Chevy Express van, 4.3 liter V6. Doing the transmission today. I gotta pull this off. Dipstick tube. I had to remove the seats and the doghouse bolt here and a couple stuffs. Bunch of stuffs. I got it jacked up. Super safe as always. Obvious sarcasm. Nice little leak. This is a very easy job. I just started back on third shift after basically 3 weeks off, sleeping like a normal person. And this is my first week back, and I'm freaking exhausted. Not sure how much is going to come out of there. All right, I got a little strap up here. We will find out if this works or not in 2 seconds. Gotta take this guy off right here, which is a 15 mil. That's just the transmission mount to the cross member. And then I got to take these cross member bolts out. Super side. The other side has some brake component, ABS, that needs to be removed from the cross member. Well, so far it didn't fall. That should give me a little support there. Wow, there's a lot of transmission fluid coming out the vent there. That's not good. This is so much easier. I should have taken the cross member off when I did the engine. There you go. Slide this guy back. So now I got a lot of room, which is pretty cool. I still don't know if I should take that off yet. I'm afraid this thing's going to spill all over. I think I might do U-joints on this because it doesn't look like it's installed correctly, to tell you the truth. Clip looks like it's not all the way seated. Oh, there you go. That clip. It's like heck. Oh, come on, strobe light. Clip's hanging out. Of course the wind's gonna blow. It's always windy when I'm doing shit like this. Windy, it's fucking snowing, raining. Here comes the wind. Really? Told you. Told you the wind would start. There's no way around us. Right here. I get that off. Might as well just hold it. Yeah, the wind's blowing real hard now. 4 is all you need. Just gonna take a couple of these out. Oh yeah. Oh, it worked. I am shocked. Go on the other side and get the starter off. I got the torque converter bolts out. That was a pain in the butt. One of them was really tight for some reason. I got all the bell housing bolts out except one on the top and this one here. This thing's ready to come out. This is what I got going on. Pretty dangerous looking. I'm sure it's very dangerous. I'll make sure I got all the wires out of the way. Hold a little. There you go. There she is, ugly bastard.